Hi, I am Narmatha. I will be reading the book titled A Bright Future, A Dream of Being a Superhero, written by Repostly Admin, illustrator Vivekananda Roy Gatha. Let's start. My name is Angel. I never give up. My dream is to become a superhero. I will never give up on my dream, and I will always have hope that my dream will come true. I will never give up. Every day in class, I always think about my dream to be a superhero. I think of how many adventures I can go on. I will never give up on it. I will try my best to become a superhero. I always imagine that. When I press my belly button, I can have big ears and fly like an eagle or like a Dumbo the elephant. I can see the world and fly next to the airplanes and birds in the sky. I can fly as fast as the wind. I can become a superhero and fly everywhere if I never give up. And I always have hope that it will happen. When I am a superhero, I can do what's right. I can stop bad guys from doing bad things. I can always be hopeful that the world will be better because I am catching all the bad guys. I can make the world better if I never give up and try my best and always be hopeful for the future. I can go on many adventures if I never give up to become a superhero. I can be brave and jump in a volcano because I am very brave. I love to be a superhero because I can do so many things. I will never give up on my dream to be a superhero and always try best to become a superhero. Oh no, thinking too much of all these adventures, I didn't realize I am missing out in my mathematics class. That's not a big good sign. As of this moment, it's my maths class. I will need to focus back on my studies. Because I can be a superhero to my parents when I can get high marks in my exams. I will first focus on doing mathematics. It's very hard, but to me, I am already a superhero because I never give up and I want to keep trying my best even if I fail at times. The end. This is the story about being a superhero and dreaming for your future. You should never give up. One should never give up. The importance of education is here that to teach you, you should never give up and you can always achieve your dream. Thank you.